Hi, welcome to Ask AD, and today I'm going to be reviewing the EVOGuard Industrial Helmet Mounted Visor. So the EVOGuard Industrial Helmet Mounted Visor comes in 5 different levels of protection. Okay, so first off, this one here, this one is level 1. So level 1 has got impact resistance level B, so medium energy impact, that's about 120 meters per second impact onto that. That's going to stop any like high speed particles like for with extreme temperatures, so maybe if you were like grinding or something like that. It's got an optical clarity of 1, which is the most clear vision that you can get. So basically, if you're wearing this all day, you're not going to get eye strain. It's just going to give you pure clear vision all the time. They have UV, so they have UV protection as well, so it filters out 99% of the harmful UV, and also they mount to the Evolution hard hats, safety helmets. So let's pop one of these on. So they fit into the slots on the side, which where the Sonis ear defenders fit. And what we'll do, we'll put one of these on first, and then I'll show you what you do if you actually want to use the ear defenders as well. So they pop into the standard slots on the side. Like so, all fingers and thumbs together. Okay. And then when that's on, you can use that, it can just clip up and down, you see. So I'll just adjust this so I can put it on. What I love about all the JSP products, obviously all working together, this one is brilliant because you can actually wear your Force 8 half mask with press to check filter actually under the brow guard, the visor. So I'll just clip that into place. So straight away you can see it's wrapped around underneath here as well, so it's giving you sort of protection right down to your chin. So it's got level 1 optical clarity, so it's just giving that full panoramic vision, and you can see here as well that you're not getting any distortion when you're looking and working, so you're not going to get any eye strain. So for long periods of work you can easily pop up the lid like that as well. Now if I was wearing my half mask as well, my Force 8 one, let's just pop this on quickly so you can have a look. So it's just brilliant, like that all of the JSP products work together. So you can see, got no problem at all, plenty of room there to move. Doesn't give you any restriction of breathing. I'm wearing my press to check underneath here, so if I'm doing any grinding, yeah, brilliant, that's really good. So what we'll do now, we'll pop on the ear defenders as well. So this one here we've got, this is a standard EVO 2 hard hat. So what I'm going to do with this one is we're going to leave the ear defenders on there, and I'm going to fit on to this one, this one here is the max version. So this is the level 4 protection. So I'll give you the information on what that actually gives you in a moment. So we pop out the clips, and then this is then going to pop into the slots on the side of the Sonis ear defender mounts. There you go. So now I've got slightly wrong. Just put that over the top, so it's over the top of it. There you go. So I've got a basic EVO 2 hard hat. I've got the Sonis ear defenders that I can clip on. and I got my visor as well. So this visor, and again I can load this up with my press to check filter. This one here, this is the max version. Okay, so the max version on this, I'll take this off, talk you through it. You can see actually it's slightly bigger, and it comes round the front, it comes under the chin a little bit more. You see that? So it gives you a little bit more protection. So basically it's very easy to fit. As you can see, it's compatible with the full range of safety helmets from JSP. It's got the panoramic vision, class 1 optical lens, filters out 99.9% of the harmful UV rays. So it's filtering out any of the bad stuff. So it's up to A rated impact protection on here as well. If you go for the next one up from this, which is the C5 Max, that also gives you arc protection as well. So as with all of the JSP products, again this one coming in the new retail packaging, JSP Go, it's got the QR code on it. You can scan your phone camera over that. It's going to take you straight to the JSP Go website, and on there we can look at visual protection, so eye protection, and it's going to take you there, and it's going to take you to what this particular visor covers you for. Okay, so this is the EVOGuard helmet mounted visor, and that's from JSP.
For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.